So yeah, this is the metronome right here. You wind it up, super old school steampunk, if you will. There is something I just discovered, which is a weight. So like this is the speed. And if you want it to go slower, you slide the weight up, and it gets slower. And if you want to go like turbo, you can go turbo. So all right, if your rhythm is struggling like mine is, you have to work with one of these things called a metronome. Most people use apps, but I have this thing lying around. I actually use it for martial arts and that kind of timing, but it's not translating into my guitar stuff. So it's still too fast. It's gonna take a while, but this thing does help. So next time.